Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my YouTube channel. I wanted to make this video because it's a highly requested video from y'all out there. People with millions of followers on Instagram is DMing me, man. Musicians, record labels, local artists. Everybody is DMing me about this one video I made, man. The power of fucking YouTube. I didn't even know. I didn't know this many people was gonna even be interested in this method that I was teaching. But come to find out, it's people all over the world that's interested. Like I said, record labels, people with millions of followers have DM'd me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the type of person to just expose that conversation, but hundreds of thousands of subscribers, people with tens of thousands, like I said, local people. Everybody has hit me up about this video, and the video I'm referring to is this video I made about Spotify and SMM panels, right? I made it earlier this year, and it's blowing up. It's getting a lot of views, and it's getting a lot of engagement. Like, people looking me up, you know, and DMing me and asking me more questions. And it's so many people. It's been so consistent. Like, it's happened literally every single week since I dropped this video. It's been so consistent that I decided to make another video for y'all, man, to answer some of the reoccurring questions I have now. If you come across this video and you have any questions about SMM panels and you don't have the capacity to sit through and watch this video, because I'm about to break it down. You know, I'm about to break everything down in a thorough manner. If you don't have the capacity to sit through and watch this video, you can get special coaching from me, but it costs. It costs money. I'm not about to, you know, just give out my services, you know, to everybody for a cheap price. Now, if you want a streamlined process, if you want to skip all this and have direct communication with me on this matter on SMM panels and Spotify, my Cash App will be in the description. You have to Cash App me $250 and Cash App your number, you know, attach your number and your name, and just say it's for SMM panels, and I'll reach out to you. But it's $250 for that consultation service, you know. But if you don't want to pay that, I'm gonna have everything in this video. So you just have to have the patience to sit through and learn, because I know a lot of people was asking me questions about things I answered on previous videos. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to break everything down in this video. So just to get all of the main questions out the way, you know, for the people who just don't want a beer, you know, all the main questions out the way. Do SMM panels work? Yes. Are SMM panels still paying out right now in 2020, as of July 2020? Yes. You know, will your music get taken down from Spotify for using SMM panels? No. No, you are good, man. You good. Now, let's break it all down. What are SMM panels? SMM panels are social media marketing panels, right? Groups of people all over the world, you know, people that know the computer better than you, you know what I'm saying, have gathered all of this customer information from us, you know, and they sell it. They sell it to businesses, corporations, people starting social media marketing agencies, and you know, people run companies, you know, using this as their resource. They may use the SMM panel as their resource to run a company, to run an agency, to build following for their clients. Now, what we are using SMM panels for are to make money. You know what I'm saying? You could use SMM panels for two reasons: to create presence that will, you know, bring you money in the future, or you can create money right now. You know what I'm saying? That's the main two reasons. For your image, to create this presence, this online social, your social footprint, or whatever they call it, to create your social media profile, to build that up, or to make money. You know what I'm saying? You could use it for two different ways. You know, ultimately, if you build your social media platform up to a level, you're able to leverage that following and make money. So that's why this is so interesting to people, because it works and it pays out. And, you know, me personally, I don't use it for like the Instagram image look, but you know what I'm saying, you can use it for that if that's what you into. But today we talking about being a rich nobody and using it for Spotify to generate streams, royalty eligible streams on Spotify. Now this is a new method, man. This is a brand new method. Very few people have tapped into this. A couple people know about it, but very few people have tapped into this because the streaming market only been popping for like 5 years. You know what I'm saying? So this little this service, I'm telling you, is new. You know what I'm saying? It's fairly new, like in the game. So yeah. SMM panels. What are SMM panels? Social media marketing panels. Like I said, you could go in there and you could get pretty much anything. Instagram likes, Instagram views, followers. You get Facebook likes. You get website likes. You get Netflix hits. You can get some of everything, man. Title streams. You can get playlist ads. Man, it's like the variety. Google Plus, Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Reddit, man, it's so many different platforms, different social platforms you could use SMM panels to create a bigger presence for yourself, right? Now, what we use it for is for Spotify to create royalty eligible streams. Now, this is the method. This is the simple method. Before I break down anything else and get y'all all lost, this is a simple method. You upload a song that's longer than a minute, right? Use Follow Snake. This is the SMM panel for Spotify. The best SMM panel for Spotify is called followsnake.net. I'm gonna have to correct. Damn, I can't link the website in this. I can't link the website, but it's called Follow. Just look up Follow Snake SMM panel. It's gonna be the first result on Google, right? I can't link it in the description because you know what I'm saying. I just can't. But Follow Snake. Follow that. Go. Find that website, right? You upload a song that's at least a minute. You go to Follow Snake and you get the URL from Spotify and you upload that on Follow Snake. And you tell it to send. You gotta at least send 1,000 streams. Now this is the math on the money. You know what I'm saying? You get a 50% return on your investment. You get a 50% return on investment for 1,000 streams. It's $2 for 1,000 premium streams. It's $2, but you will get back $4 on your royalty statement. So for every $2 you spend $4, right? It's just to break it down, all the math. In order to get 1 million streams, that is $2,000, right? You would need to spend $2,000 to get 1 million streams, but from that you will earn $4,000 from that, right? So you will earn your 2 racks back plus $2,000, right? And that is the business model of this. So it's profitable. You will get money back, and you won't get taken down. Now, let me explain what the technical shit, like how does this work? This works through API access tokens, man. Spotify, Twitter, your Gmail account, certain accounts you have API access tokens. And what is that? It's like when you go to a website and it'd be like, sign in using your Twitter, sign in using your Uber, sign in using your Facebook account, sign in using your Gmail account. And it's quicker. They make the process quicker because they able to gather certain information from those platforms, whether it's pictures, whether it's phone numbers, whether it's emails, whether it's your name already. They're able to gather that information, quicker and, load it onto the site, right? And what people don't understand is, like, you can sell this information. Like, there's certain websites that sell this information, even if you know about the Spotify playlist hustle. Like, that's a whole nother video. We could talk about that. I'll probably make another video on that because this topic is long, bro. Like, I'll be trying to lead these videos to 10 minutes, but I could really talk for 30 minutes about this shit, bro, because I just know about it. So, like I said, if you want a special consultation, you can you cash app your boy Yon World, cash symbol Yon World, $250. I'll walk you through everything, man. But like I was saying, like even with the Spotify playlist method, right? It's the Spotify playlist method online. It's like this underground, all these underground playlist cultivators. And how to get on it is they want your Spotify API access token. This is how you get on the playlist. You gotta give them your API access token. So you follow all of these playlists, then they put your song on the playlist, but then they still got your access token. So you know what I'm saying? They can stream music, they can follow people, it could, you know, they could change the stipulations to what you allow. And if you don't read the box, you know, whenever you sign in on something, if you like using your Twitter, Facebook, it'll be like, this is what we have access to. You are authorizing this app to view this, that, change this, that. And then if you say allow or authorize app, you know, you give it permission. And that's what happens. Like, and these companies resell that information. You know, they resell that information, and the base of it is the SMM panel. You know what I'm saying? Then it'd be big companies, you know, like I said, it's all of these social media marketing agencies that you know, use SMM panel as their resource to build brands for their clients. So that's my video for today. If y'all have any questions, any further questions, man, I will not be answering them in the comments of this video. You know, I may, if it's something simple, I may answer it, but if it's a complex question, or if you need further tutorial assistance, like I said, y'all can cash up your boy Yon World at, well, the cash symbol Yon World, $250 for a consultation. I'll walk you through everything personally. I'll make sure you start making money. You know what I'm saying? I'll make sure you're on a path to get money. Show you exactly how to do it. It's your boy Yon World. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.